When you think about it, people have to feel welcome when they come here. People who need to know where they're going, they need to know what they're seeing, they need to understand what the exhibits are all about, and it needs to be pretty. And FASTSIGNS does that for us.
So the Muhammad Ali Center has worked with FASTSIGNS for many, many years, and we've found them to be creative. They're great at customer service. They're wonderful to work with. Their follow-up is excellent. And so we always keep going back to them, of course. Why would we go someplace else? So in the end of 2017, we started looking at our lobby, and the wear and tear was apparent.
We got the privilege of coming in and being creative and making the whole lobby in general more visually interesting.
It was a good time to make everything modern, contemporary, new colors, more light.
The center is very content rich, and FASTSIGNS has played an important role to make the center different. Our new lobby is just pops, and FASTSIGNS help make it pop.
We created everything from donor displays, backlit acrylic donor displays, some non-illuminated donor displays.
When you walk in, that's one of the first things you see in that hallway is that light and those butterflies glowing. It immediately attracts you to walk up to it and get a closer look.
So the donor wall now has different size butterflies that represent amounts that are generously donated to the Ali Center.
The picture of Muhammad that's on the wall in the lobby, people love to go by that picture and take selfies and have their pictures taken.
We wrapped some columns for a virtual reality display with virtual reality targets. Quite a wide range of things.
We trust FASTSIGNS to give us input. Like, we might have an idea of what we want to accomplish, and then we look to FASTSIGNS to provide potential solutions to those problems. So one of the design aspects for our main lobby is what we call a wall of respect. VIPs, celebrities, recognizable faces literally from around the world who come and visit the center. FASTSIGNS came up with the idea that if we use tile elements that are also on the outside of our building and around our admission and concierge desk, that visitors would be drawn to it when they came in the front door.
The project team at Muhammad Ali Center leaned on us a lot to collaborate with them and help them coordinate between the different pieces in the lobby renovation. One person may be working on a particular donor wall and another person may be working on a separate piece. And they look to us to bring the two of those together and maintain some consistency in materials and color and style.
FASTSIGNS is so good at what they do. We see them as a trusted partner, and it really is a collaborative process. And that's very important, especially when you think about the multi-dimensions of the Muhammad Ali Center. It's important that you have a partner that understands what we do and what we're trying to accomplish, and then has the flexibility and the intuition to make those things happen.
Anything that we undertake here in this building has to be the greatest, and we think FASTSIGNS is the greatest.